Okay, to graph the numbers, I have here in the first column the stuff that's going to be on the x-axis. In this case, it's the height of each fall. In the B column, I have everything that's going to be in the y-axis, and that is found by the equation t equals square root of h over 4.9. Okay, so to graph these things, we highlight it, highlight, and go up to Insert. Halfway down, it says Chart. That's a fine chart, but it's the wrong kind. So I go over here to Setup, and at the top of the setup, it says Chart Type, Column Chart. I don't want a column chart, I want a scatter plot. So I'm going to scroll around, and here's a scatter. Okay, so now I have my nice dots. Next, I want to customize this. I want to make it just the way I want it to be. So I hit the Customize button up here, and I go to Chart and Axis Titles. I want to change the title of this thing. Let's see here. And the name of the text, the title text is going to be Homework 27 Spreadsheet Practice. And then I'm going to close that. Oh, nope. I want to change not only the chart title, but now I'm going to move to a different category. I'm going to go to the horizontal axis. And that is the height in parentheses in meters. And then I'm going to change the vertical axis title. And that's going to be the time of fall in seconds. And I can close that down. I go to the next thing down, series. And it's going to be, I want to include the trend line. And I want to include the equation as a label. And I want to show the r-squared value. And so at the top of the page now, we have the equation. The blue dot means y. So the y equals 0.138 times x plus 0.342. And the r-squared value of this is 9.87. I can change the different kinds of trend lines right here where it says type linear. I'm going to change that to exponential, and it automatically changes the line, changes the equation and the r-squared value. R-squared value is now 0.952. And then I can change this to polynomial. And everything again changes, and the r-squared value here is 0.999. And that's how you do all your graphing. If you want to do another graph, just simply changing these numbers here, let's change it to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It automatically changes the dots. So you only have to do the labels and everything once for many different data sets.